What is up, you guys? It's your girl RAYANNESAMANTHA. Welcome back to my channel. I am really on a high. I just came back from a video shoot slash photo shoot with Colorpop Beauty. If you guys don't know who Colorpop is, I am in Canada and they are a beauty distributor. So they sell everything from beauty products to hair products. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a unboxing. I decided to get some products from Colorpop. This is my first time buying Colorpop products, so I'm really excited to see how they look. But if you guys are feeling this vibe, I'll give you guys some quick details. Right now I am wearing CUTIEPIE Tresses hair. I will link them down below, but this is the kinky texture and the 18-inch length. I love these clip-ins. Right now you can see my hair poking out a little bit because it's the end of the day and wind got to it and whatever. But yeah, these clip-ins are life, you guys. I will have a coupon code down below. Tell me these are bomb. Like, from here you really can't tell where my hair ends. I am just loving how big my hair is looking. But yeah, I'm rambling, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It says made in LA. It doesn't really have, I thought it would have Colorpop logo, but it does not. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm just gonna go ahead and try not to stab myself. Why am I like looking like I've never opened a package before? So this is what the box is looking like. It's really, really pretty. I'm a sucker for nice packaging. And it matches my makeup. So let's go ahead and open that. They were actually having a sale, you guys. Ooh, it comes with a cute little card. That's what it looks like. And it says I'm a sucker for you. Interesting. Obviously has like my receipt and everything in there. So they had pretty much a great sale on palettes. So I picked up about 4 different palettes and some eyeliners. This is the Honey palette. And this is basically all yellows. If you guys don't know, Colorpop did like a whole bunch of monochromatic palettes. Let me get this out of here. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna break a nail doing this. The thing just slides out and they're struggling. Okay, so this is Honey. That's the super cute packaging. So pretty. I love that it actually has a mirror as well. Look how pretty this is. I love this glitter actually. It's really, really pretty. I just lightly swatched the glitter, you guys, and it is like poppin'. Okay, so that's Honey. So up next, I got this palette and it's called Mar. I'm not one to really use blue shadows, but again, as you can see, your girl is trying to step out of her comfort zone. So I went ahead and got this blue like ocean inspired palette. I really like them. Like, they're just so cute and compact. I usually have like really big like rectangular palettes. So this is what this is looking like. I honestly think I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these colors because they're super pretty. This is called El Rey. Ooh, it's like a nice iridescent gold color. This is called Wild One. This is definitely my palette. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this blue color, and that is called Detour. This is called Boozy, I guess, and it's another like, it's a nice golden color. Right there. This color is called Gridlock. and it's like a nice turquoise. Ooh, that is very, very, very pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this neutral tone. This is called Sorbet. That's just a really nice like pinky color. Then I'm swatching this green color called Highway. Ooh. And this is just like a nice deep tone brownish red, and it's called Top Down. This is probably gonna be one of my favorite browns. The last color is called My Way, and it's like a nice copper tone, and that's what that is looking like. This is super pretty, you guys. I am really, really, really liking this. Up next, we have Orange You Glad. This is gonna be really cute for summertime. Again, this is another monochromatic palette. Super cute packaging. You guys should know by now, I'm a sucker for cute packaging. Let's go ahead and open that. These colors, you guys, are so freaking pretty. I'm not gonna swatch all of them like I did for Mar, but I'm just gonna swatch this pressed glitter. Look at this. I really, really, really like their pressed glitters. That is so pretty. So I'll definitely be using this in the summer, probably before that, because I really like oranges and warm tone looks. So this is definitely going to be a palette that I go to. So that is that. Honestly, guys, with all this makeup, I need to reorganize my makeup so like everything makes sense and like things are grouped together. I don't know what I'm talking with my hand, probably because I just got my nails done. But yeah, so this last palette I was really excited to try because I have never in my life done a green eyeshadow look. I just always felt that it wasn't my color or like I was too dark. But we're not doing that anymore. Like, I'm not too dark for anything. I can wear whatever I want, and that's what we're gonna do. So again, I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone, so that's why I went ahead and bought Just My Luck. So another monochromatic palette. Oh, again, I'm struggling to get it out. There we go. So this is what she's looking like. I think this is my favorite palette, even though, as I said, I've never done any green looks. This is super, 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 super pretty. Look at her. So this is Chances Are. And this is called Kiss My Hass. Super pretty. This is called So So. Ooh, I like this one. It's like a really nice emerald shimmery color. This one right here is called Big Banks. Also a very pretty color. It's like a little more bluey than this color right here. Okay, so let's go back to Mary Jane. So it's just, ooh, this is so pretty, you guys. That's what Mary Jane is definitely my favorite color in this palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all of you. Ooh, I like to play on words. All of you, you know, get it? All of you. Silly me, never got it at first. Cause I be slow. Actually, no, I changed my mind. This guy right here is definitely my favorite. That is such a nice, like, golden olivey tone. Anywho, I'm going in with the bottom row, and this is called Act Natural. Ooh, It's like nice, like evergreen green. This is called Mobamba. Very similar to this color. And lastly, this looks like a true olive green to me. And this is called Charmed. Very, very, very pretty. I definitely want to try my best to step out of my comfort zone. So you will see me trying this palette, you guys. I cannot wait to create a look with this. Last but not least, I just picked up some eyeliners because you can never have too many. And also, you know, since I picked up these, I don't know why my lighting is tweaking, like what's happening here. Since I picked up all of these colorful palettes, I decided to get some colorful liners. Again, I'm struggling to open them. So these are just their gel liners. And this color is called Teaspoon. And it kind of goes along with the palette that I just showed you. Ooh, they are very buttery. That's what this color is looking like. And obviously you can see that I can use it with, I mean, I could use it with anything, but it really pairs well with the Just My Look palette. So this is a pink liner and it is called Boots. Different. And that is what Boots is looking like. Super pretty. And last but not least is a white liner and it's called Exit. Okay, so this one is definitely broken. That sucks. But anywho, this is what Exit looks like. A very true white liner. So that's all I have for you guys. This concludes my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell so you guys can see when I post new videos, like some makeup videos with these palettes. I will see you guys in another video. Toodles!